My name is Meraki. Watch this entire video from start to finish. To become the character necessary for this manifestation, you must navigate a path of self-discovery, intentional growth, and disciplined action. Here's a comprehensive guide encompassing mindset, habits, and practical steps to help you embody the character essential for manifesting your envisioned reality. 1. Clarify your vision. Clearly define the reality you wish to manifest. Be specific about your goals, aspirations, and the person you want to become. Visualization is the first step to materialization. 2. Identify key traits. Break down the character traits required to achieve your vision. What qualities does the person who embodies your desired reality possess? Examples could include resilience, confidence, discipline, empathy, or creativity. 3. Self-reflection. Reflect on your current self and identify areas for improvement. Honest self-assessment allows you to pinpoint the traits that need development and recognize your strengths. 4. Develop a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset, believing that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than viewing them as setbacks. 5. Set clear goals. Establish short-term and long-term goals aligned with your vision. Break them down into achievable steps. Goal setting provides direction and a sense of purpose, driving your character development. 6. Cultivate positive habits. Identify habits that align with the character you aim to embody. Whether it's a morning routine, regular exercise, or mindfulness practices, cultivate habits that reinforce the traits you're developing. 7. Mindfulness and visualization. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Visualization exercises can reinforce the character traits you seek. Imagine yourself acting and reacting in alignment with your desired reality. 8. Learn continuously. Engage in continuous learning. Read books, attend workshops, and seek knowledge relevant to the traits you want to develop. Learning expands your perspective and equips you with the tools to embody your desired character. 9. Seek role models. Identify individuals who already embody the character traits you aspire to have. Study their actions, mindset, and habits. Observing real-life examples provides valuable insights and inspiration. 10. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth. Overcoming obstacles builds resilience and reinforces the character traits you're developing. Embracing challenges accelerates your transformation. 11. Practice gratitude. Cultivate gratitude as a daily practice. Appreciating your current state while aspiring for more creates a positive mindset. Gratitude reinforces a sense of abundance, a crucial aspect of the character you're building. 12. Surround yourself positively. Evaluate your social circle. Surround yourself with individuals who support your growth and share similar values. Positive influences contribute significantly to your character development. 13. An accountability partner. Share your transformation journey with someone you trust. An accountability partner provides support, encouragement, and constructive feedback, enhancing your commitment to change. 14. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate small victories along your journey. Recognizing progress reinforces positive behavior and motivates you to continue evolving. 15. Adapt and evolve. Be flexible in your approach. Embrace feedback and be willing to adapt your character traits based on evolving circumstances. Flexibility is a sign of true resilience. 16. Regular self-assessment. Periodically reassess your progress. Conduct regular self-assessments to identify areas for further growth and refinement. Adjust your goals and strategies as needed. 17. Integration into daily life. ensure that the character traits you're developing become an integral part of your daily life. Consistency in applying these traits in various situations solidifies your transformation. 18. Serve others. Acts of kindness and service to others reinforce positive character traits. Contributing to the well-being of others creates a sense of purpose and strengthens your commitment to embodying your desired character. 19. Reflection and gratitude. Regularly reflect on your journey. Express gratitude for the progress you've made and the person you are becoming. Gratitude reinforces positivity and attracts more of what you desire. 20. Share your journey. Inspire others by sharing your transformation journey. Your experiences and insights may motivate and guide others on their path to becoming the characters they need to manifest their realities. Remember, it's not just about reaching your goals, it's about evolving into the person capable of sustaining the reality you wish to manifest. Peace, love, and namaste.